Welcome to another day in the life of a winemaker at Three Brothers Winery. Hello, here we go, off to the warehouse with the finished pallet of wine. Today, we're out here pulling barrels. Pulling barrels is an important part. Hello, how's it going? There we are. I've got barrels on racks and racks of barrels. The forklift goes away, and now the barrels are set to be done with what we need to be done with, which is take the wine out with this wand. There I am, putting the wand in the barrel. That seemed to work just fine. There they are. That was Pinot Noir and Zweigelt. Here we are measuring the free sulfur of these wines, making sure that they are stable microbially and oxidatively. That's a titration of the aeration oxidation measurement bench technique that tells us what the free sulfur is in the wine. There it is, Sam calculating the results, hopefully finding what he wants to see and not what we don't want to see, but we'll correct what we don't want to see to what we want it to see. There it is. There's our setup. There's some trials of our new Ruby Port that's being called something new and different by the likes called Unreported.